We're at Fleet Pride in Nagawa, Massachusetts. We gotta get some parts for the, not some parts, but fuel filters and stuff for the semi truck.
Okay. You know what kind of parts you gotta get? Because when we go in there, they're probably not gonna be too appreciative of us recording, so I'm gonna have to hide it. So let's explain what we're gonna get.
Just some fuel filters.
Okay.
I need some twist-ons because I did a Detroit spin-on fuel filter, and I did an add-on, so I need one of those because it's clogged up. I change them like probably every 4 trips maybe. The other ones I do, the water separator fuel filter, I change every trip. But this, the one in the bottom, is I change every 4 or 5 trips. So I said like, yeah, my truck never had a secondary one, so I added one.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Well, let's go get this done. Get her done.
Get her done.
All right, guys, let's go. Let's go inside the Fleet Pride. What's that for the trailer?
Yeah. We always get these from here. How you doing? I need fuel filters, but I forgot the part number. I always get it from here under my account.
What's your account? Right, anything else we can help you with today?
That'll do it, sir.
Fucking number, too. Like, good for, getting like grease and crumb off your hands.
Alright, guys, we secured the load. Now we gotta go to Wally World, right? That's where we're going? Check out the merch.
You like this?
Check out the merch, man. Star Car Trucking.
Subscribe.
Hey, get me so they can see how handsome I am.
How handsome you are?
Hold on.
That's dope.
Star Car Trucking.
That looks good.
So let's go to Wally World right now.
You're running.
So what we gotta get at Wally World?
My favorite, diesel clean.
Okay, so you're gonna clean them out?
Yeah. Gotta clean them out.
We're gonna go to...
Let me see what Paul wanted. He called me again.
Go clean them out. See what else they got over there. All right, guys. Before we stopped at Walmart, I just wanted to show you because we were right around the corner from the yard. So I just want to show you the kind of bullshit loads that Dispatch gives us. We got to haul this car to Florida from New England. You can see it's been in a wreck. Like, I don't know. This is bullshit. That's gonna be flapping around too much in the wind. It's just the airbag. Oh, that's cool. That's gonna be the whole way to Florida. Yep. Let's see. All the cars are here. We got all the cars already. We just gotta load them up. You can see we got 1, 2, 3 spaces to do. One up here. It's 4. Let me see. A whole bunch of SUVs, guys. We got a nice Mercedes. We got a nice Jeep. Toyota. Check out this Jeep Suzuki. Did I lock it? No, I didn't lock it. It's pretty dope. Manual. Love this Jeep. I think I want to show you how bad it was. Maybe I'll climb up there. I'm pretty. Let me see. We don't know until we look. You don't know what you don't know. Okay. That's pretty cool. Airbag deployed. What's this? Some wiring.